Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody's got a question. How do you bring a PDF from an email into CorelDraw? And for the one I'm doing it for, I emailed it to myself so the other person's information wouldn't be on here. I do not use this as like an Apple Drive or Google Drive. I go right here to this down arrow. It's going to open up a new window. It's going to bring in your deal. And then right here, and every computer is probably different, but there should be a save button. And I'm just going to click save, and I've already saved it. And then close that window and open up Corel, get a blank page, and you can either import it from there, or you can right click your mouse and import it, and then start typing in future residence parking, press import. Now text or curve, I want to pick text or curves because most likely I won't have that font. And then you could do one of two things. You could drag it to whatever size you want, or you could actually just hit enter and it'll be pretty close to the size. Now, if you're going to engrave this or if you're going to print this, it's still a little fuzzy. That's just what happens. And if we look, there's a white background behind those letters. I drew a yellow box or the back of page so you can see the white background. If we get our color eyedropper, you can see it's a 0% black, which means it's a CMYK white. So here you got a CMYK green and another CMYK black, and then here is a different black. So if you're going to print that, you know, it could quite possibly be a little bit fuzzy. Something like this, and see how it brought it in kind of weird with some of the lettering. Well, he's going to let me know if he's going to have to take it apart. We could take this apart and very easily. These should be very easily be matching the fonts of this. But that's how to bring a PDF into CorelDraw. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.